Data manipulation using the goal seek.
Let's do it. To use the goal seek, click on the Data tab, click on the What If Analysis arrowhead button. From the drop-down list, select the Goal Seek option. The Goal Seek dialog box opens.
Data manipulation using the goal. Data manipulation using the goal seek.
Let's do it. To use the Goal Seek, click on the Data tab, click on the What If Analysis arrowhead button. From the drop-down list, select the Goal Seek option. The Goal Seek dialog box opens. A. In the Set Cell text box, specify the cell address where you have entered the formula to calculate the result, or place the cursor in the Set Cell text box and click on the cell whose value you want to fix where you have entered the formula. B. In the To-Value text box, enter the final value which you want to obtain. C. In the By Changing Cell text box, enter the cell address by changing the value for which you want to obtain the required result from, or place the cursor in the By Changing Cell text box and click on that particular cell whose value you want to change. The cell address will be automatically filled in by changing cell text box. Click on the OK button. Example: you have obtained 191 marks as the result of the total obtained as the sum of marks in 3 subjects, but you needed 240 marks in total to get a distinction. You can check how many marks you require in any particular subject, let us say English, to achieve the total of 240. Enter the marks in the 3 different subjects and apply the formula to find their total in the cell D2. Click on the Data tab. Click on the What If Analysis arrowhead button. From the drop-down list, select the Goal Seek option. The Goal Seek dialog box will appear in front of you. In the Set Cell text box, check that the address of the cell where the formula is entered is there. In the To-Value text box, enter the required value you need to obtain from the formula. In the By Changing Cell text box, enter the cell address of the cell which you want to change. In this case, it will be cell B2. To achieve the required result, or simply click in that particular cell and the cell address here, B2, will be filled automatically. Click on the OK button. You will get the required value for the cell B2, which will calculate the result as 240.
Using the filter.
Let's do it. To use the filters, click on any cell within the data, click on the Data tab,
Filter.
click on the Filter button. The arrowhead buttons will appear next to the field names in the list of entries. Example: to find out the list of students who have scored 75 or more marks in the subject English, click on any cell within the data you have entered. Click on the Data tab. Click on the Filter button. You will see the arrowhead buttons, filter indications along with the headings. Click on the English filter arrowhead, point to number filters and click on the greater than category. The Custom Autofilter dialog box opens. Enter 75 in the text box. Click on the OK button. The required records will be displayed and other records be hidden.
Conditional formatting.
Let's do it. To use the conditional formatting, select the range of cells to format. Click on column header if you want to apply conditional formatting to the entire column. Click on the Home tab. Click on the Conditional Formatting button and point to the Highlight Cell Rules button. Click on the condition type which you want to apply. The condition box opens. Enter the condition for which you want the cells to get formatted. In the With drop-down list, specify the formatting. Click on the OK button when finished. The data will get formatted as specified in the selected range of cells. the greater than condition box. Example: enter marks in the cell range B2 is to D7 and apply conditional formatting so that if the marks are between 60 and 80, it should become light red filled with dark red text. Select the data from B2 to D7. Click on the Home tab. Click on the Conditional Formatting button, point to Highlight Cells Rules button and click on the Between option. The Between Condition dialog box opens. Specify the range 60 and 80. In the With drop-down list, specify the formatting. Click on the OK button when finished. All cells in which marks are between 60 and 80 will become light red, filled with dark red text.